Hold on, Polly. Scooting you back. Easy, girl. There you go. Welcome back. You're watching the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the entire world. This is my dog, Polly. She makes an appearance very rarely on YouTube. I wanted to welcome all the new subscribers and viewers to this YouTube channel. I've gotten a lot of comments and a ton of emails, lots of emails asking about the most recent video that was uploaded on this channel about how I get my jobs, how much I make, what do I pay in taxes, how do you get a handyman license, what your insurance requirements are, a ton of stuff about the business. And about a year ago, it's probably over a year, I made a YouTube channel dedicated to that topic. It's called the Handyman Business. It'll be linked in the description. It'll be popping out here. There'll be a card at the end popping up around my head. You can't miss it. If you are considering going into this line of work, please go over to that YouTube channel and subscribe. Right now, there's a new video I just uploaded on how to get a contractor's license. And we talk about this mystery handyman license that doesn't exist. Some of the questions that were asked were, do I charge by the hour? How do I invoice? How do I charge these people if I don't charge by the hour? How do I market myself? Where do I find the jobs? The list goes on and on about how I am self-employed doing home improvement. That's it. A lot of people are interested in it because of the state of the economy. It's actually going quite well in the home improvement industry. That doesn't even begin to describe it. It is crazy, ridiculous. There is a massive shortage in skilled labor. From everything from putting in a smoke detector to popping the top on your house. Right now, real estate investing is blowing up in big cities. If you kind of model your business after mine, it's pretty much a license to print money. As much as you want to work is directly related to how much you make. There is no limit. There is no salary cap. It's kind of crazy how much money the construction industry is making right now. Employees, if you're an employee, if you're an electrician, you're a plumber, you're a carpenter, a roofer, a cider, a mason, you're not making much money. You're still making the same amount of money you were last year. And you're interested in being self-employed. You know how to put a smoke in. You know how to install a garbage disposal. You can do this and that, but you want to know how to turn it into a business, how to make money, how to bring security to your family, how to get out of manual labor. That's a big portion of what's on that other channel, is what to do with your money so that you're not a broke, crippled old man at age 70 doing the same manual labor that you are at age 20, 30, 40. Hopefully you're 100% retired by your 50s. Okay, I'm going to keep it short. The most recent video is how to get your contractor's license. The one before that is how to avoid paying taxes, because as a self-employed person, you are heavily taxed. There is a tax. It's even called the self-employment tax. How do you get out of paying that huge tax burden for your blood and sweat? That's 2 videos ago. And then there is a whole library of videos that you should watch all of them. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you subscribe to this channel and you click that bell. I had a lot of comments of people saying, holy cow, you're still uploading videos. Didn't know you were still uploading. It's been a while since I've seen your videos. Click that bell and you will get notified and you won't miss any more. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Goodbye.